Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the regular 3 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the 4 stars Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku. And I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but right now I will do the regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, the person of the year, Taylor Swift, has won a Grammy. It's her 4th Grammy, yeah, for the best album. And also Celine Dion is back, yeah. Yeah, I'm glad that she's back. 55. She's 55. Beautiful woman. Yeah, both are beautiful women. Yeah, both, not one. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. This will be number 7947. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Well. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. So it's correct. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 3 4s. We have here 2 5s. 3 4 6s. Alright. 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 6s are in majority. Can I start with 6? That's the question. Can I start with 6? Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 6, here also 6 6. That means in the middle row we need a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, well, in the second row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6 in the third column, so we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. In the last column, we have also a 6, so no 6 there. In that column, we have also a 6, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6. No, not true. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We already have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay, 6 6 6 6. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. Alright, and now 2 2. Need a think. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 there. 4 8 8. I'm thinking. 5. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. Oh, sorry, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 178, 178, 178. Means the 296, 296, 296. Okay, and now 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And wait, 7. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 4, need a 3 here. 3, 3, okay. Need 6 there. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well, complicated. 7, 6, 2. 7, 6. No. 7 should be here or there. Come on. Need a 3. And a 6 there. No. Yeah, need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 in the middle row could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 1, 7, 9, 8. Okay, need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Thinking. 4. 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need 3 here. Thinking. Need a 2 here. Okay. 1, 4. 1, 4, 7. 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Okay. 4, 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in this box. 2 in the second, no 2 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Shoot there. Need a 2 here. Okay. 7, 2. How about the 4? How about the 5? Need a 2 here, need a 2 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the middle one, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have a pair now. 2 and a 6 in this column. 2 and a 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Here we have 1, 7, 8. That means 1 digit left in this column. Here we have 2 and a 6. This box should be a 9 then. Alright. And we have a pair again. The 3 and the 9 in this column. The 3 and the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left with 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. So two numbers left now in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 7. Need 1 here. Need a 5 there. Two missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. So two numbers left now in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left on 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay, need 8 there, okay. Then, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 4. Let me think. How about 4 and 5? 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only place left of the 7 should be there. So two numbers left now in the middle row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 1 and a 9. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Here we have a pair, 4 and a 5. And here 4, 5, 2, and the 1 is missing here. Need a 1. We need a 1 here. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 is. The 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5. Again, we have a pair here, 4 and 5. That means these 3 missing numbers are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 and 5. 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 1 is left in this column for number 3. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left of the 7 should be here. We have here 1, 7, 8. So this box should be a 7. So the 1 and 8 are left. 1 and 8. Let me mark those. 1 and 8. And here also, nope. 1 is missing here. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here 1 and a 2, 4 and a 5, 2 and a 6, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row. Only two places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 6, need a 6 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 5 there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in the first row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the third column, no 6 there. So only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6, okay. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so third row. Only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be here. Here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. That means in the second column, the 1 should be in one of those two boxes. Yeah, because this box can be a 1, we have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. Here can be a 1, we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 4. Well, can it be 1? Told you. So this box should be a 4, and that box in this row should be a 1. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. 4 and 8, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, need a 5, need a 9. 9, 9. Alright, let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down, need to place level, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5, 5, 5, 5. Well, we need 2 here, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left. We have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Alright. 4 and a 5. That means we need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square from was the 1 and 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7 and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now, last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this big square from was the 1 and 2, 3. The 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and then 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes in there. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the fifth column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well, I'm very well pleased with the time. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So, not quite a 4 stars, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.